I thought crossing that stage would be the pinnacle. The moment where everything I sacrificed, everything I endured, would finally make sense. But no one tells you about what comes next. The silence after the applause, the weight of an empty goal. I rebounded hard. Physically, mentally, emotionally. It hit me like a wave I wasn't ready for. The discipline that once felt like second nature became a battle. The structure I thrived in turned into chaos. And for a while, I let it consume me. I had the winter blues, post-show blues. I was depressed. I started binge eating. I just didn't even know what to do. I could sit in the shame of it, let it define me. But that's the easy way out. And I've never been one to take the easy way out. I had to accept it. What worked before won't work now. I can't rely on old patterns to build a new life. This season demands something different. More patience, more grace, more honesty. Improvement season isn't just about building muscle. It's about rebuilding me. Every version of me. My environment, my mindset, my habits, my finances, my relationships. If I want to be stronger, I have to be stronger in all of it. This isn't punishment. This isn't failure. This is the in-between, the space where growth happens, and I refuse to let a temporary setback define the next chapter of my life. I am changing, and this time, it's for the better. Improvement season isn't just about building, it's about leaving. Leaving places that keep you small, the routines that feel safe but suffocating, the people who don't challenge you, who don't inspire you, who don't want you to grow with you. When something isn't serving you, you don't wait. You don't negotiate. You go immediately. For the first time, I'm not clinging to the familiar. I'm stepping into the unknown. Messy, unpredictable, but real. I'm learning to be comfortable with the uncomfortable. I used to think I knew who I was, but I only knew the version of me that fit into the life I had, not the one I actually wanted. So what do I actually love? What excites me? What makes me feel alive? This season isn't just about growth, it's about discovery. I am no longer staying where I don't belong. I am becoming who I was meant to be. This is new. A different kind of challenge. It's not just lifting weights and tracking macros anymore. It's business, sales, marketing, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm used to pushing my body, but this is about pushing my mind. Learning how to promote, how to sell, how to build something bigger than just me. It won't be perfect at first. It's an experiment, a process. But if I can commit to training, to discipline, to pushing past failure in the gym, why can't I apply that here? Success doesn't happen overnight. Just like muscle, skill takes time to build. And if I want this to be a part of my future, if I want to work with bigger brands, build my own business, then I have to get good at this. One step closer, one lesson learned. This is just the beginning. Alpha E Fitness is here to change the game. We believe top-tier supplements shouldn't come with an elite price tag. That's why we're delivering premium quality performance fuel at prices that make sense for everyone, everywhere. We're bringing you the same high-performance formulas without the overpriced hype, whether you're an athlete, lifter, or everyday warrior. Alpha E Fitness is built for those who refuse to settle for their workouts or their wallets. No gimmicks, no overpriced fluff, just pure, effective, and affordable supplements to help you build strength, recover faster, and become the alpha of your fitness journey. Why pay more when you can train smarter? Join the movement. Join Alpha E Fitness. January was about starting again, taking action, showing up even when it felt uncomfortable. I got back in the gym. I started fueling my body with intention. I found my way back to books, to scripture, to gratitude. And now, it's time to build on that. February isn't just another month. It's the foundation, the reset button. The space where discipline turns into routine and where small choices start shaping my future. Mindful mornings, nourished nights, less rushing, more intention, less mindless scrolling, more presence, less burnout, more alignment. Yeah, I'm starting a little late, but that doesn't matter. Finding your rhythm isn't about perfect timing. It's about realizing that even the steps backward were a part of the dance. The missteps, the pauses, the moments that felt like failure, they weren't detours. They were the music I had to learn to move with. This year is about constant improvement. 1% better every single day. Small wins stacking into something bigger. Staying persistent, staying consistent, staying grateful. Good news, then more good news. Because when you commit to growth, when you refuse to quit, the wins don't stop, they multiply. A late start is still a start, and I'm exactly where I need to be. I got tired of the cycle. Book an appointment, spend hours at the salon, only for my nails to break days later. And honestly, I don't have time to keep going back. So, I decided, why not just do it myself? Funny thing is, I used to love doing my own nails. Back in the day, before the appointments, before the shortcuts, it was a process I actually enjoyed. And now, it feels like a full circle moment. Cosmetology has always been my first love, my career, my craft, and this is just another reminder that sometimes the best way to get things done is to go back to what you know, to what you love. And honestly, they came out amazing. Not perfect, but they don't have to be. I'll get better over time, just like everything else. Learning new things, relearning old things, finding better ways. That's what this season is about. And if I can do this, what else have I been outsourcing that I'm fully capable of doing myself? I love to cook. Always have. There's something about it. The colors, the textures, the way simple ingredients come together to create something amazing. Cooking is fun, but more than that, it's art. Just like everything else. The way you train, the way you dress, the way you speak, The way you live, life itself is art. And when you start seeing it that way, it all becomes so much more beautiful. This isn't just about food. It's about creating meals that fuel me. Meals that taste so good I'll never need or want a cheat meal. Because this isn't a diet. It's not temporary. This is a lifestyle. A new way of doing things. A new way of loving myself through the choices I make every single day. And the best part, I get to create it every day. One meal, one moment, one masterpiece at a time. This is where it all started. The grind, the therapy, the place where I rebuild myself, rep by rep, set by set. This isn't just a workout. This is war. A battle against the person I was yesterday. And honestly, I don't leave until I win. I've made a decision to be a warrior, to be unstoppable, to be the kind of woman who walks into any room and owns it. I want to be a legend. And that means choosing everything that aligns with that and saying no to everything that doesn't. The gym you choose matters. The people, the energy, the community. It's all a part of your success. So let's go to war against doubt, against limits, against the version of me that didn't believe she could have this life. And I'm not coming back until I win.